doesn't know the benefits of papaya, whether it is raw or it is ripe? But a few people, including me, I just hate papayas. So I have tried this recipe, and believe me, my son too likes this recipe. It's a papaya chutney, and no one can tell that it is made up of papaya. Do try it. Let's see. Welcome to MOHUA'S kitchen. Once again, for this recipe, I need papaya, raw papaya here, and I will peel off the skin from the papaya and cut it into pieces. And I will take out the seed portion and peel off the chest of the papaya because the skin and this seed portion is very bitter. So we want to get rid of that. A few people doesn't like to have papaya due to the smell and the bitterness. So this recipe will cut down the bitterness, and you can't even imagine that it is made out of papaya. After soaking this in clean water for 10 to 15 minutes, I will take a grater and I will grate it with the help of the grater. You can grate it with the bigger one or the smaller one. You can have this chutney with roti, paratha, whatever you like. You can have this. I have grated my papaya, and now I will squeeze the excess moisture remain in the papaya to get rid of the bitterness of the papaya and the smell too. So see, I'm squeezing out the excess moisture or the water from out of the papaya, grated papaya, and I will throw away the excess water which came out from the papaya. And now I will heat a pan. Into it I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and I will add my squeeze out papaya into it with round about half a teaspoon of salt, and I will stir it in low flame till the moisture remain from the papaya comes out, because we have added salt and a little bit moisture will come out from the papaya. And by the meanwhile, I will take 2 to 3 lemon and I will squeeze out the juice from the lemon and set aside. We'll use it afterwards. And now moving towards my kadhai. See, after adding salt and my flame was in low, the water came out from the papaya, and now I will cover it and let it cook for about 6-7 minutes until your papaya is softened. I have added here, in between I have added here 1 cinnamon stick and to get the flavor. And see, it's quite done now. My papaya has been boiled, it has been softened, and now I will add into this. I'm going to add some cashew nut and some raisins to enhance the taste, and I will stir it, and after that I will add around about 4 tablespoons of sugar into it. Mix it well and wait till the sugar dissolves, and we need to reduce the excess water a little bit more. Cook this in high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the sugar dissolves. And now I will add 3 tablespoons of lime juice, or if you don't have lime juice, you can use vinegar here, and mix it well. And now your flame should be in slow for about 1 minute and switch off the gas. And your papaya chutney or plastic chutney, basically in West Bengal it is known as plastic chutney. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon beside the subscribe button, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can follow me in Orchid Bakes and MOHUA'S Kitchen, my Facebook page. Once it's cooled down, your chutney will be more thick, and then you can enjoy this with paratha, roti, or even bread. Bye bye, take care.